Welcome back to part 3 of the Turbo Miata build. We got a lot done since the last video. I'm pretty sure there was snow in the last video. Now it's 30 degrees out. So I'll show you what we all did, and this truck's stupid hot. Alright, we got our JDM IKEA brand light bulb shining down on the engine bay. And since the last video, we put in new NGK spark plugs and spark plug wires. And new eBay 550cc fuel injectors, which were kind of a pain to install. But we got it done. And then I started wiring up the wideband gauge, and we'll show you that now. Welcome to the rat's nest. The battery's not connected. Fuck! Alright, we got the gauge here. It's saying poo. Oh, it said poo for a second. That's my tune right now. And not to mention, we fixed the fuel leak. Hey! Boy! Oh! And that's my reading. Engine blown. No! This is why the sensor. Oh! This is what. This is why the gauge wasn't reading anything. It's because I actually don't have it connected. So now we're gonna start taking out all this junk. Oh! Finally! I've been waiting 2 months. We've been working on this build for 2 months, working on it like 1 day a week, and now we finally getting to the fun part. Yo, what is that? What? Wait, why would that even be there, fam? What are these previous owners thinking out here? Let's bust some nuts. Let's go. Oh. Okay guys, we took off the old turbo, we took off the old manifold. We're gonna start it up for a second with no exhaust. Oh no! There's oil everywhere! We tried it. Oh my gosh. This was a mistake. I knew it. This was a mistake. I knew it. And there's oil everywhere underneath here. You can see it seeping through. Was it worth it? Nah. Oh. It was a learning experience. We knew the line was pressurized, but we tried our best to shove it into the return line and wrap it up, but obviously it wasn't enough. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, we dropped the new manifold in. We got the old turbo and everything out. We just covered this up so water won't get in there. And I covered up the alternator. And we're about to clean out. I just got degreaser in the cut on my finger and it really hurt. Oh. But yeah, we really loaded on this degreaser because it is nasty in there. But yeah, this finger, you know, screwdriver slipped, flathead went straight in. It was a full send, boys. I'm about to hit him with that one and done ripper. Might be out of gas, I don't know. Okay guys, we've been waiting long enough. We have to test fit the turbo. I already got this J-pipe on here, the mushroom filter. We're gonna drop it in. We're gonna have to take it back out later to do the oil lines, but we just gotta see how it looks. Oof. There she is. Right. Thick. Yes, this is terrible. This sucks. This looks so ugly. Psych! Check it out without the filter though, it looks even better. Oh! I'm gonna lift the car up. We're gonna drop the whole exhaust because I'm probably gonna get an all new 3-inch exhaust or 2.5 inch, not sure yet. And then after that, all we have to do is drill and tap the oil pan, do the oil lines, hook up the vacuum lines, and she'll run.